For the bridge network in figure, find I/O using mesh analysis. We have to find this I/O in this bridge network using mesh analysis. Solution. First we will redraw the circuit. Now let's assume this is mesh number 1 with current I1. This is mesh number 2 with current I2. And this is mesh number 3 with current I3. So according to mesh number 1 current direction, this will be positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. According to mesh number 2, the polarity will be positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Here it is entering from here, so this will be positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Now we have the polarities. Now we will apply KVL to mesh number 1. Let's say we will start from here. So this will be minus 30. Now all the resistors are given in kilo ohm. So we will assume current in milliampere. Or we will directly assume current in milliampere. So this will be minus 30, then plus 2 I1, then plus 6 I1 minus I2, I1 minus I2, then plus 4 I1 minus I3, is equal to 0. So this will be minus 30 plus 2 I1 plus 6 I1 minus 6 I2 plus 4 I1 minus 4 I3 is equal to 0. So this will be 2 I1 plus 6 I1. This will be 8 I1. 8 plus 4 will be 12 I1. Then this will be minus 6 I2 minus 4 I3 is equal to 30. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now we will apply KVL to mesh 2. Apply KVL to mesh 2. Let's say we will start from this point. So this will be plus 6 I2 minus I1. I2 minus I1 plus 6 I2 plus 2 I2 minus I3 is equal to 0. This will be 6 I2 minus 6 I1 plus 6 I2 plus 2 I2 minus 2 I3 is equal to 0. So this will be minus 6 I1, then this will be 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 2 14 plus 14 I2 minus 2 I3 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation number 2. Now we will apply KVL to mesh number 3. Apply KVL to mesh 3. Let's say we will start from here. So this will be plus 4I3 minus I1. 4I3 minus I1 plus 2I3 minus I2 plus 2I3 minus I2 plus 4I3 plus 4I3 is equal to 0. So this will be 4I3 minus 4I1 plus 2I3 minus 2I2 plus 4I3 is equal to 0. So this will be minus 4I1, then this will be minus 2I2, and this will be 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 4 10, plus 10 I3 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation number 3. Now solving equation 1, 2 and 3, we can solve this using calculator. Mod 5. There are 3 unknowns, so equation number 2. This will be 12 minus 6 minus 4 and 30. This will be minus 6, 14 minus 2, 0. This will be minus 4 minus 2, 10, 0. So I1 is equal to 4.28, 4.285 will in milliampere, because we have considered all the current in milliampere, because these resistances are in kilo ohm, but here we have taken in directly. So I1 is equal to 4.285 milliampere, I2 is equal to 2.142 milliampere, and I3 is equal to 2.142 milliampere. What we have to find? We have to find IO. This IO. So IO is equal to I1. IO is equal to I1. Therefore, IO is equal to 4.285 milliampere. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.